student, welcome here in this YouTube channel. We are dealing with active and passive voice and 4 tense we have completed. This is the tense number 5th. In this we will discuss past continuous tense. Today's topic is past continuous tense. As I told you that some of the sentence patterns are different in active and passive voice, not the meaning. Okay. So past continuous tense, affirmative sentences. What is the sentence pattern of affirmative sentences? In present continuous tense, we are using am, is, are. Here instead of that, just we have to use was, were. So active voice, subject plus was, were, we for object and other words. Okay. In passive voice, it is subject plus was, were, being, we needed, being, we three, by, object, other words. Okay. See, the example is we were enjoying the movie. So the movie was being enjoyed by us. This movie will come here. Sorry, the movie was being enjoyed by us. Second is, let me give the number of this. First, now second. Second it is, they were writing their papers when you entered. Okay. See, this we have two clause here. I mean, one clause is connected with when. So if there is transitive verb, so we will change that. Otherwise, let it be. So first we will change this. Their papers will come here. Their papers were being written by them when you entered. Entered is intransitive verb, so we will not change that. When you entered. Number 3 is, the students were making kites when the principal came. So this kites will come first. Kites were being made by the students when the principal came. Okay. These are the affirmative sentences. Please you note down this with sentence pattern. Now negative sentences. In negative sentences we will put not after was were, and in passive we will do the same thing. Active subject was were V4 object other words. Passive is subject plus sorry. Here we will put not plus V4 plus object V3. First we will put being, after this V3 by object other words. See, you must have that doubt in your mind that why being here. So here we have V4. So that suggests continuity of the sentence or continuity of the action. Now this V4 convert into V3, so the continuity is not maintained. So the action is being continued, that is described with the help of this being. Sentence: our teachers were not calling us for the march. Us will come first, so it becomes we. We were not being called by our teachers for the march. Second, she was not buying a new dress when you called her. Here this two will be changed, okay? A new dress will come first. A new dress was not being bought by her when, now this her will come first, she was called by you. See, here we have both transitive verbs, so we will change. We changed that into passive. Number 3. He was not testing a message to you. So a message will come first. A message was not being texted by him to you. See, this way we will change negative sentences into passive voice. Please you note down this, students. Now interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences is like we have to put was-were at the beginning point, both in active and passive voice. So in active voice, was, were, subject, V4, object, other words, question mark. Now in passive voice, was, were plus subject plus being plus V3 by object, other words, question mark. Okay, sentence is were you cooking that delicious dish for me? So this delicious dish will come first. Was that delicious dish being cooked by you for me, by you for me, question mark. Now second, was he putting all the keys into that box? Okay, so these all the keys will come first, and here we need word all the keys being put into that box. Now number 3. Were you reading your diary when I came? So this your diary will come first. Was your diary being read by you when I came? Okay, came is an intransitive verb, so we will not change there. Okay, you just note down these 3 sentences. After that we will go for WH word. What to do when we have WH word in this kind of sentences? How to change those into passive voice? See, when you have WH word, not to do anything, just put WH here, after that was verb, after that subject being, after that V3 by object, other words and question mark. This is the sentence pattern of passive voice. Okay. Now sentence. Where was she taking? No. Who was helping you in this subject? So here we have WHO, who. So that will be convert into by whom. So by whom. This is our object. Word you being helped in this subject. Question mark. Now second. What was making, what was you making in the kitchen? So this you is our object. What was being made by you in the kitchen? Okay. Now number 3. Why were they calling your mother? So your mother will come first. Why was your mother being called by them? See, we don't have to change WH word. Okay. Number 4. When was she giving you those papers? So those papers are our object. So when were those papers being given? By her. Okay, these are our WH word interrogative sentences. Very important these are. Please you note down this. See, we still have many WH words. These are just an example. Okay, please note down. See student, this is our past continuous tense. Now I will give you some examples in homework. Change the voice of the sentences. She was making a tea. They were calling them. Not them, but they were calling you. Were you going to the market? Was she accepting these conditions? She was not ready for the tour. They were not giving us the last warning. Number 7. Those boys were doing the wrong things. These 7 sentences you have to do in your homework. Here I have given you mixed sentences. Some of the sentences are interrogative, some of the sentences are negative and affirmative. Okay, so you have to do this in your homework. The instruction is same. You have to change the voice of the sentences. We'll meet again with next tense of active and passive voice. Please do this homework and post your doubts if you have any. Your doubts will be solved for sure. Please take care. Bye.